Are you guys trying to make some money online, but it's just too difficult because you just don't know where to start? Well, don't worry, because in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can be earning an extra 200 to 400 bucks daily with today's method. So if you want to know how to do this, then open up. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Our method for today is real passive income strategy. It does not require any payment. It has no hidden fees whatsoever. Literally, you have no problems at all with this method. You don't need any skills or any prior experience, and you have to not wait at all because it's instant, it's immediate, it's fast, it's upfront, it's quick. It's literally everything that you've ever dreamed of, and I know you guys are gonna love it. So let's jump right into this website. So our first website is called Redbubble.com. Now don't worry, it's super easy, super simple, and Redbubble actually lets you sell a ton of different designs. As you can see here, a few examples, and I want to show you quite a few examples of stickers with different designs, like this one, and it costs this much, and then this one, this is how much it costs as well. So for example, we look through the phone cases, and they sell usually from $20 to $40, and there's a lot of categories where you can actually sell your design on Redbubble.com to start making money. So in a moment, I'm gonna show you a 100% done for you automatic software that's gonna basically let you use and create designs for completely free and completely automatic. So once you're able to sign up for completely free on Redbubble, you're gonna click on this button right here, and then you're gonna click on this button afterwards, which is selling your art, and then that's going to take you to your Redbubble account's dashboard. So as a complete and total beginner, you're going to be doing a couple of things. So first of all, you're going to make different items by uploading different designs and photos, and then secondly, you're going to put up a professional shop over here on Redbubble so people can come on over and shop around and purchase different goods from you. And then step 3, you're gonna get paid, and then you'll deposit money directly into your account. Either you can use crypto, bank transfer, PayPal, or whatever it is that works perfect for you. Now I'm gonna show you how you're gonna do it, okay? So in this case, we want to create a product, so you're gonna click on this link, and then you're gonna see here add design. You're gonna click on that, and then it's gonna bring you to this page where you can add your new work. So you have two options. The first one is you can upload a brand new design, and the second one you can upload something that's already existing. So let's say you have a brand new account, because you probably will, and then you're gonna start out by submitting new work. So all you have to do is click on this button right here to upload a design. And right now, I've just finished publishing my design to Redbubble. And basically, that's the design that I had just published. And I know that a lot of us, we don't know how to design or how to create different photos, graphics whatsoever. And that is why I'm going to show you our second website, which is called Snappa.com. I want you guys to answer this question in the comments down below. What are you gonna do when someone purchases from you and you are gonna make some real money? I'm just curious what the first thing is in your list. And while you're at it, how about include what country you come from and maybe what other videos you'd like to see in the future so that we can note them down. Anyway, moving forward. Now, this website, you can actually design a ton of different online graphics in a snap, pretty much. It's very easy. It's very simple. There's so many done for you templates that you could just choose from, literally, and for free. Now, what you're gonna do is click on this button to get started right now, and then you're gonna sign up by providing all of the details being asked of you, and from there, you're gonna be able to use the different templates as soon as you've logged in for free. So as you can see over here, if I create a social media post, maybe for Facebook or Instagram and other different social media platforms, you can choose from that. One thing that you are gonna notice that there are a lot of templates that you can, choose from. And now nothing actually fits our requirements, so we basically have to design something unique on Redbubble so they can print it on different items, right? So for example, we're gonna try on top of a t-shirt, or maybe a mug, or maybe a phone case, right? So those are just some examples. So that's why I want you guys to really pay attention. So over here under the graphic design, enter in 2200 times 2200. Okay, right now all you have to do is click on this create button right here, and boom, you're gonna be taken to the dashboard where you're gonna start designing different stuff for your template. You can add effects, for example, some text, you can add graphics, some shapes, some photos. There's just a lot of things that you can do, and it makes it like 100 times easier for you. So let's say I'm gonna choose icons and then put it in particular keywords like dogs, and I can discover different icons connected to dogs. Now say I click on it and it appears on top of my design canvas. Of course, you can move it around, you can make it larger, you can make it smaller, you can turn it into different positions, and then you're gonna add text. For example, you're gonna click on the text button, you're gonna select a heading, and then you can just drag it back to the top, and then you can change the text then and there. It's a very easy, simple design you can do on Snappa super easily. And you can do it on your phone, on your computer, and as soon as you've completed your design, you can click this button to download it on your phone or your computer, and that's basically how you can receive a free design on Snappa. All you have to do is drag and drop, as simple as that. And then you're gonna go back to Redbubble and you're gonna upload that design right there. And now all you have to do is fill in very simple, basic information for your design, like the title, and you can just put whatever it's related to, tags, which is again whatever your design is related to, and then the description, again whatever your design is about. So that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe before going any further because it really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be kept updated on all of our videos, and we promise you won't regret it. You can also maybe comment down below what you guys are loving so far about today's video so we can read through them and maybe even respond to some. So go do that right now, and I'm gonna go on to the next part. So that's pretty much all you have to do to be able to download your design, upload your design, to Redbubble. And from there, you're going to scroll down, you're going to see a ton of different product reviews of your design, printed on other objects, maybe clothes with different designs. You can see them here. People really like them. So that's just an example, okay? So phone cases as well. You can see them on top of pillows, phones, wallets, and a lot more. There are millions of visitors and people who actually visit Redbubble to do shopping, and a lot of people who actually, they'll maybe love your concept, your design, and you'll never know, they'll want to purchase a t-shirt or other stuff, and basically you can put it on a lot, okay? Now, once you're satisfied with the preview of what you can see right now, you have two options, okay? So we're gonna do design and illustration as well as digital art. Then you're gonna scroll down to see a very important setting that you should not overlook. Again, the default product in your store. Now make sure you select it on the optimizer, optimize recommended, and then from there you can see, really view this work. Okay, you're gonna be able to make sure that you can select on anybody in public so that other people can actually watch them while they're browsing and buying on Redbubble. And then you're gonna be like, finally, is this mature content? Make sure to select no, and then you're gonna agree to the terms and conditions. You're gonna click on these to save your work. So right now, they're gonna start processing your design, and it's only gonna take a couple of seconds, and congratulations, you're almost ready to sell. Now you just complete the payment details, set up your payment options. Example, you want it to be in your PayPal account, so you're gonna provide all of those details, and that's pretty much it. You're gonna see like a pretty cool design on your Redbubble basically, and it's gonna be amazing. So when customers go to redbubble.com, they're gonna look up specific keywords, maybe your tags, right? And then they're gonna probably see your product, and that's why tags are very important as well. Right now I'm gonna show you a bonus trick on how you can actually promote your design. So you cannot just rely solely on Redbubble, although that is okay, but that's not gonna get you a lot of traffic, a lot of buyers. So we're gonna do something that is gonna get you. So first we're gonna open up Parlor.com. It's like Facebook, but it's much better because there's less competition. And basically, not a lot of people are aware of this website, just a few. So it's a great place to get traffic because not a lot of people are gonna be promoting and stuff like that. So you're just gonna sign up on Parlor, and then you are just going to basically post your link, tell them like what you're selling, and then make sure you use tags in that specific status, in that specific posts, and try to use like really viral tags, even if it has nothing to do with your link or with your product. You just need to get as much attention as possible, but still make sure tags of what your product is there so that like people will still get an idea. And that is pretty much it. You just have to do that, and a lot of people are gonna see this post on Parlor. They're gonna click on your link, they're gonna see your shop, they're gonna see your product, they're gonna purchase from you because they love it. And also you have to target some people, so maybe you can look up different tags as well on Parlor, like in relation to what your product is, then reply to maybe posts that are already on Parlor, so these people who are looking for these certain products can actually view your store. So the importance is that you are able to target the people who are into your content, and also people who just like general content, and then they'll just come across your link and purchase because they want to. So make sure you do that, and that is pretty much it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.